Alright, so we just got up to the campsite. Figured we'd...
Got a hat.
Yeah, got a hat.
Son of a bitch.
So this is the snowbank. You can't really see it because it's all white, but it's up to...
Oh, my fucking... Whoa!
Dude, get the fuck...
Look how deep...
He's on top of the snowbank.
Look at that, Paul. Go, look at how deep that is.
Walk up to the chain.
Look at, I'm standing above the sign. It's pretty easy walking, man. We can get all the way up. I'm gonna hit that fucking camera. Oh! Suck it! I'm just a sexy boy. I'm not your boy. That's fucking awesome. How about you get every weekend? Sand's helping it, dude. Snowball. That's a picture right for you, huh? I think I got taller.
Hold on, back up one step. Now go forward one step.
Oh, it's payback for the nut shot. Oh,
that's payback for the nut shot.
It's a good thing my fucking pants were like tightened right over it. Whoa! Whoa!
Look at the glove, dude. The thumb. Nice. My hands are like pink, purple, red.
I have fucking 2 right-handed gloves on. Oh, why not? Whoa! I'll take that though. Alright, let's try it, man.
You ready?
I guess. The beginning's the hardest part. Yeah! I'm gonna one-hander!